Red Base, it's Miss Isha here, hope you're all okay. So this is your second day of your maths games this week. So you've got a video for today, a video for tomorrow and a video for Thursday. And for the rest of the week this week we are going to play some games. So for this game you need some socks. So you need some white socks, like I've got. And then you need some socks that are not white. Maybe some socks that have got some patterns on them. Or you might have some superhero socks. You might have some spotty socks. You might have some stripy socks. And you need to get yourself 2 lots of those socks. So you need some white socks. And you need some pattern socks. And then you also need some sort of basket or box. Or anything that you can put things into. And make sure there's no lid on top. Okay, so you need to go get yourselves those things. You also need a piece of paper and a pen. So I'd like you to go and pause this video, go and get yourself some white socks, some pattern socks, a basket and a piece of paper and a pen. Okay? Right, okay, I'm ready to get started with our game. So for this game, what we're going to do is, Miss Isha is going to she's going to try and throw some socks into her basket. And then I'm going to count how many I've got inside my basket and how many I've got outside my basket. And then I'm going to write my answers down on a piece of paper. Okay, are we ready? Let's get started. So, let's see how good Miss Isha is at throwing now. You won't be able to see my face, which is fine, because I just want you to see me play the game. Okay, are we ready? Woo, we got one in. Oh, no. Another one. Let's see if I can get another one in. Another one. Oh, another one. Fantastic. Right, I'm going to stop there and then I'm going to go over to my basket and I'm going to see how many I've got inside my basket. So if you want to come over and have a look, in my basket I have got how many pairs of socks. Let's see if you can have a go at counting them before I do it. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I've got 4 socks that were inside the basket. Now let's have a look at how many socks that were not in the basket. So 1, 2. So I had 4 socks that were inside the basket and 2 pairs of socks that were outside of the basket. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to write them down. So inside the basket I've got 4. So I'm going to write 4. And I'm going to put add. And then outside the basket I've got 2. So if I've got 4 inside and 2 outside, how many pairs of socks have I made all together? Let's see if you can have a go. If I've got 4 inside and 2 outside, how many pairs of socks have I got all together? And then I'm going to have a go at working that out. So I know that I've got 4. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's right. Miss Isha has got 6 pairs of socks. 4 were inside, 2 were outside, but all together that makes 6. So can you see how I've written that down? I've written 4 socks inside, add 2 socks outside, equals 6 all together. And then I'm going to show you something that you can do next with your socks. So we know we've got 6 socks. Now let's have a look and see a different way that we can split these numbers up. So let's have a look at how many white socks do I have. So come and have a look. How many white socks do I have? So let's have a look. And I'm going to, it's really important when you count your socks out, you put them in a nice line so you can clearly see which ones are white and which ones are not. So watch Miss Isha when she does this. So I'm looking for the white socks. So I'm not going to choose the patterned ones because they're not white. I'm going to choose the white ones. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. So I've got 3 white socks. And then, how many patterned socks have I got? Again, I'm going to put in a nice straight line so I can see. 1, 2, 3. So I've got 3 white socks, 3 patterned socks, and all together I've still got 6. So that's another way that we have made 6. We've done 3 white socks, add 3 patterned socks, and all together they make 6. So look at those 2 different ways that we've made 6. The 4 and the 2 was when some were inside and some were outside. And the 3 and the 3 were the 3 white socks and the 3 patterned socks. Fantastic. So I would like, this is all up to you now to let you go and have a go at doing this. Now, you can use as many socks as you like. I've got some more here. Okay, so maybe start with some smaller numbers first, and then if you think you can really have a go at a challenge, maybe add some more socks into your game and have a go at throwing them in your basket. See how many you can get inside, count how many are inside, count how many are outside, and then have a go at splitting them up into white socks and patterned socks. Okay, so that's your first game for today. And that will be it for today. Come back tomorrow where you will find yourself a new maths game to play. Alright then, bye Red Base.